Hey, this your girl, Tweety Princess 91. This is my first vlog thing, I guess you could say. So, this is how I'm spending my New Year's Eve. Just got off of work, and I'm pretty damn bored. I mean, my boyfriend ditched me, my mama ditched me, my stepdad ditched me, and my dad ditched me. The only person that's here with me is my dog, and I feel real pathetic right now, because it's like, dang. I'm bringing 2009 with my dog and this lotion. It is pure seduction. It smells so good. But anyway, Casey, come here, sweetie. Come here. Casey. Yeah. This is Casey. I think you can see him. He is the most loyal person in my life right now. He ain't leave me, did you, baby? No. So anyway, I hope everybody has a better New Year's thing than I am right now. So Happy New Year's, and I guess I'll make another one soon, or I'll keep somebody posted on whatever. Alright, bye.